Hey mga ka-showbiz! Did you know that Kim Chiu just went back to her hometown in Cebu, not for vacation, but for something big and unexpected? And guess what? Habang nagsushoot siya doon, napuno siya ng nostalgia, memories, at konting luha sa tuwa. Pero hindi lang yan, she's starring in a brand new Prime Video series called The Alibi, and this one's totally different from anything she's ever done before, romance, mystery, and suspense all rolled into one, plus, reunited na naman sila ni Paolo Avellino. So if you're a fan of Kim Pao or miss the classic Cebuano Kim vibes, you're gonna love this one. Kim's emotional homecoming. In her interview with MJ Felipe on RUG, Kim opened up about what it felt like to film in her hometown. Sabi niya, first time ko mag-lock-in sa ibang lugar that involves flying sa airplane, ang layo sa bahay, kapag may nakalimutan ka, wala na, hindi mo na mababalikan. Pero the real tearjerker moment, when she said, lalo na sa Cebu, sa amin, ang dami kong alam na lugar. Minsan tinuturo ko kay Paolo, diyan ako nag-aabang ng jeep dati, dyan ng school namin. Oh! Imagine Kim Chiu, the big star, reminiscing the days she used to wait for a jeep in Cebu. It's like a full circle moment from a simple Cebuana dreamer to a Prime Video leading lady, The Alibi, new genre, new Kim. And here's where it gets exciting, The Alibi isn't your typical teleserye, sabi ni Kim, yung kwento na to, parang di ko pa siya nagagawa talaga ever, hindi ako gumawa pa ng mystery drama. So first time ko siya gawin. So yes, it's her first ever mystery suspense role. She even shared that while filming, kahit nagtetapping kami, naninibago talaga ako. We love seeing actors step out of their comfort zones, and Kim's clearly proving her versatility here, and let's not forget she's paired again with the one and only Paolo Avellino. Fans of Linlang and What's Wrong with Secretary Kim are definitely celebrating this comeback. Netizens were quick to flood Twitter, or X, with reactions like, Kim Pao chemistry never fades. Grabe, kahit ilang ulit magka-partner, may magic pa rin. Excited for The Alibi. Iba si Kim kapag may mystery theme. Production and reunion hype. Directed by FM Reyes and Jojo Saguin, and written by Danica Domingo under Dreamscape Entertainment, the same powerhouse team behind Linlang. This project is being hyped as one of Prime Video's biggest Filipino releases this November 7. And you know what's even cooler? This marks Kim and Paolo's fourth project together after Linlang. What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? My Love Will Make You Disappear. And now, The Alibi. Grabe, they're slowly becoming one of Philippine showbiz's most iconic love team pairings in mature, mysterious roles. Kim's bold transformation. But here's another thing fans didn't see coming, Kim's big hair transformation. When the project was first announced in June, Dreamscape Entertainment posted a video of Kim cutting her long hair short for the role. She even joked, "Goodbye long hair, see you again." Naiiyak na ako, nagtatanggal pa lang tayo ng hakaw niyan ah. Imagine, after 19 years in showbiz, she finally went for a bold, short, curly hairstyle. And you know what? Fans loved it. Comment sections were full of, "Bagay kay Kim. She looks younger and fiercer." Symbolic yung haircut, new Kim, new era. From sweet to mysterious, Queen Kim never disappoints. This just shows that Kim isn't afraid to evolve, whether it's her roles, her looks, or even the way she tells stories, her reflection on success and growth. In the same interview, Kim shared how special this experience was, saying it reminded her how far she's come. While sitting inside a van before walking the red carpet for the Seoul Drama Awards, she said she suddenly reflected on life. Naisip ko lang, saan ba ako galing? May show ako for the people, sobrang saya, tapos lumipad ako to Korea with my mom, with Jordan, how lucky are we to do that? It's refreshing to see a celebrity stay grounded, grateful, and connected to her roots despite all the fame. Netizen reactions. Mark my words. While some even teased, Paolo Avellino must be her lucky charm. It's no secret that Kim and Paolo's pairing has created serious kilig and intrigue online, especially after Linlang's massive success, and now, fans are already speculating. Will The Alibi top Linlang's popularity? Or will it introduce a totally new side of Kim that we've never seen before? Commentary. Daring actress who takes risks and tells stories that challenge her comfort zone, and seeing her back in Cebu, reconnecting with her past while filming a story about secrets and truth, it's poetic, don't you think? So maybe The Alibi isn't just about mystery, it's also about rediscovering who you are, and remembering where you came from. So mga ka-showbiz, what do you think? Do you believe The Alibi will show you as a new side of Kim Chiu we've never seen before? And are you excited for her reunion with Paolo Avellino? Comment your thoughts below, we love reading your DORs. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trending showbiz updates, behind the scenes kwento, and celebrity news na hindi mo dapat palampasin.